Krishna. And sometimes they're saying Madhava. In the previous verse, they call Krishna Madhav. And different names, not so many names. But here they're saying Krishna. Why Krishna? And then I saw in one other commentary, maybe Sridhar Swami, this is a kind of a breach of etiquette in this, or what we call Maryada, the proper conduct for a married lady in the public place, traditionally, because they're saying, Krishna Paravim Rahitatmanam Na. Have you seen Krishna, where Krishna has gone? The gopis could just say to the plants and trees, have you seen where that dashing flute player has gone? Have you seen where the Murli Varana has gone, or Vamshidhari? So many terms and names that describe the personality without directly naming him.